Good morning, students. My name is Shrima Jeevan. I am dealing community health nursing, unit number 2, community health nursing. So, last class we has learned about the principles of community health nursing. Today we are going to learn about the concept of community health. Okay, first of all, we can able to learn about the concept of community health. So, there are certain 12 concepts are there. So first one is environmental sanitation, then occupation, then control of CD means communicable diseases, health services, education of adults, good housing condition, personal hygiene, adequate nutrition and safe water, medical services, maintenance and of good health, nursing services, community participation. So these are the concept of community health and all. So when you are thinking about a community health nursing, so what are the aspect it should come in your mind means, so in a community we should clean our surroundings. So that is the first one. So that is environmental sanitation. So as we are living in a community, we should get some occupational thing, and you should control some of the communicable diseases who are living in the community areas and all. Then we should get some healthcare services from the government sectors. Then we should give the education towards to our children. Then housing pattern. So our when we are constructing a house, it should be a good ventilated and wet lighting should be there. And when we are a individual in a community, so we should do as a personal hygiene and all in order to prevent some of the diseases and maintain our health status and all. And when for a healthy lifestyle, we need to have the adequate nutrition and safe water, and we should get some medical camps and all to the community areas. And we should maintain a good healthy lifestyle. And as from the primary health center, we should get some nursing services whenever we need the care from the health department and all. And we should participate in all the programs whichever there in the welfareness about the community. So these are the concept of the community health as per the CEA Wills law. Okay. Then next one we'll see what are the concept of community health nursing. So last one we has learned about the CEA Wills law concept of community health. There are 12 points we has learned. And next one is concept of community health nursing. Okay, so community has influence on the health status of people. Then nurses needs to understand the structure of community so that the appropriate planned section can be taken by them to achieve the health of the community. So once we are living in a community area, so you should will be influenced by the community for our health status and all. So nurses need to understand, so what are the health problem will be there in a community individuals and all, and what are the factors which is influencing towards the individuals in a community. Then before understanding the concept of community health nursing, so it is necessary to understand the community and community health. So before when you are going towards the community, you should understand the community as well as the community health of the particular localities and all. Okay, so then there will be a decision on the services provided by the medical and paramedical personnel to achieve the overall health of the people of the community. So not only nursing care services they are accepting the paramedical services and ASHA worker services and other medical services to the community peoples. The term community health nursing is composed of three major components. So first one is community. So community health nursing. So it is having three aspects is there. First one community, then health and nursing. So what is community? So it is related towards the client. And second one is health. It is related towards the goal. Then third one is nursing the means. So it means that to give the services towards the client and with a good or goal oriented process, that is nursing care services to achieve the goal to become a healthy lifestyle. So that's the main concept. So it consisting of three aspects: community, health and nursing. Community, it composed of the main concept is community as a client, health as a goal and nursing as a means for the services of nursing. Then there are two major fields for getting the services of nursing cares and all. So the hospital nursing and community health nursing sectors are there. So institutional as well as the community sectors. Also we can get the nursing care services whichever time we needed the services. So we are generally using the term of community health nursing or the public health nursing, and the community health nurse and public health nurse as interchangeable. So whenever we need to go for using the community health nursing, so there we can able to see the community health nurse, we can see as a personnel. When you are using as a public health nursing, you can use the term as a public health nurse as a personnel. Then community is a social system where the interaction among the individuals occurs, and it is composed of subsystems such as socio-cultural, political, educational, environmental and religious. So once you are moving towards the social system, so you will be having some influence and force towards to understand about some subsystem in the social systems and all. So what are the things you should understand is social system, then cultural system, political system, educational system, environmental system and religious systems. These are the factors which will be influences the health of the community. So within the community there will be used to understand the subsystem to promote the health of the community. So before you are visiting a community, you should understand about the community and the community health and social system of the community. Why? Because it is all the things, it is related towards the health of the peoples in a community. So next heading, so that's about the concept. So concept is first of all we has learned about the concept of community health as per the CEA Wilson. So here there are 12 points are there. And here I have told control of CD. CD means communicable disease. Okay. Then concept of community health and nursing. So it is mainly having the three major aspect of the concept, that is community health and nursing. Community related towards the client and health related to the goal, and nursing related to the means of nursing services. And it is having two major institute or a field is there for giving the services. One is hospital services as well as community services is there. So before going visiting a community by a community health nurse or a ASHA worker or a health personnel, so they should understand about first of all the community, then community health and social system of the community. Why we have to go through the knowledge about the community health and the social system means because it is related, these factors is related towards the health of the community peoples. The next point is importance of community health nursing. So sorry, here one mistake was this, one O is the extra. So sorry for that one. So importance of community health nursing is the next topic. So community health nursing is concerned with the people who are sick as well as the healthy, young and old, male and the female. So as per the need of the patient, we should give the nursing services, because for a baby we are giving the different type of care. For the old age we are giving the nursing care services become as different. So as per the needs of the patient and the age level of the patients, we should give the care appropriate towards the patient to solve the problems. Then second point, at the same time, the individual health nurse is responsible for the family-centered care rather than the individual-oriented care. So once you are giving a nursing care services to an individual, you should give some health education towards the families also. Okay, give the care towards the families also, then only they can able to understand. So what is the health situation, health status of the currently, what is the health status of the individuals and all. Okay, so when you are giving a care towards an individual, give the care towards the family whole. Okay, then only they can able to adapt from the particular condition. The next point is community health nurse job is not only limited towards the sick, so it is equal to the responsibility to prevent the diseases, to preserve and promote the health of the peoples. So community health nurse is having the responsibility to give the services, as well as they should give the services, how to give the prevention of the diseases, how we can able to rehabilitate the patient, how we have to promote the healthcare services. So there are certain points, there are 10 points are there under the importance of community health nursing services for the prevention of diseases, preserve and promoting of the health of the peoples in a community. So first one is home care, second one nursing homes, third one MCH and family planning, fourth one is social health nursing, then fifth one is healthcare services, sixth one is individual nursing services, seventh one is domiciliary nursing services, eighth one is geriatric nursing services, ninth one is mental health nursing services, and the last one is rehabilitation centers. So these are the 10 points which will be coming out of the importance of the community health nursing. So it is as a community health nurse, not only she is giving the services towards the sick people, she is giving the services to go for the prevention of diseases, to preserve and promote the health of the peoples in the community. So we'll learn the 10 points one by one. So the first one is home care. So what is home care means? Nursing practices is applied in meeting the health needs of the communities and families and individuals in the normal environment, such as at the home level. Okay, so we can able to visit the home and give the care as per the needs of the patients or the needs of the community peoples or families or an individuals. Second point is nursing home. In the nursing home, the community health team workers will be there to provide the nursing care, to treat the patient about the sickness and give the health education for health counseling and all. We are having some team is there once you are visiting the nursing homes. Third one is MCH and family planning. So what is the full form of MCH? Means maternal child health. Okay, so maternal child health and the family planning. Okay, the public health nurse plays a major role in the MCH, that is maternal child health care services, as well as the family planning services. So what is MCH? It will be having antenatal, postnatal and child care services. We can able to make it as a MCH, maternal child health, which includes antenatal means pregnancy time, then postnatal means after the delivery up to the 6 weeks. We can call that mother as a postnatal mother, and we can give a child care services. So in term of maternal child health services, we are giving the care towards the pregnancy mother, that we are calling as antenatal. Postnatal means after the delivery up to the 6 week, we can call the mother as a postnatal mother, and the child health services. So this will be coming under the MCH and family planning. Then, so what is family planning means? In order to control the population, we are doing some methods. Contraceptive methods and different methods are there to, in order to prevent the population or controlling the population, we are doing this method in the form of family planning. Okay. Then next one is school health nursing. School health nurse provides services to promote and protect the health of the school children, and usually what are the services they are giving means early detection of diseases, immunization, first aid, dental health, school sanitation, maintenance of health records, health education, follow-up and referral services. So these are the cares which is giving towards the kids, that is school ages. What are the things means early detection of any of the disease condition, immunization we can give, first aid, dental health, school sanitation, maintenance of health records, health education, follow-up and referral services. So these are the services which is there to promote and protect the school children. Fifth one is healthcare services. The purpose of healthcare services to improve the health status of the population. It aims is at mortality morbidity reduction. So disease rate and the death rate we are reducing once you are analyzing the early detection of cases once they are visiting the healthcare services and all. So our life expectancy become as increase and decrease in the population growth rate become decrease, and improvement of in nutritional status, provision of basic sanitation, health manpowers, then requirements and resources development, and certain other parameters such as food production, literacy rate, level of poverty. So these are the things we are seeing under the healthcare services. So in order to improve the health status, we are seeing all those situations. The next one is industrial nursing services. So the nursing services at the industrial level includes periodic health checkup, care of sick, first aid, health counseling, industrial sanitation and safety, organization of the services to the women and the children, rehabilitation of the ill and disabled workers and administrations. So when you are working in an industry as an industrial nurse, okay, so you should give the prevent the condition disease conditions and promote the health of the employees, those who are working in the industrial area. So you should give the checkup. So maybe as routine checkup we should go for doing once you are working in an industrial sectors for the employees, those who are working in the particular industries. Then next one is domiciliary nursing services. Here the community health nurse focused at domiciliary nursing services, which will be including the maternal services, and some health supervisions will be there, disease prevention services will be there, and services to the illness and accidents. So these are the domiciliary cares which is focused towards the nursing services to the domiciliary area, that is maternal, child health services, and health supervision towards all the peoples, that is in the prevention of diseases and promotion of healthcare services and services to the illness and accidents. The next one is, eighth one is geriatric nursing. The term geriatric means old age only. So as we the community health nurse, we should give the services to the old age peoples in a community. So those who are needed of geriatric nursing care in the different condition, we should give the care towards the each and every age groups in the old age. Then next one is mental health nursing services. Mental health nursing services of the community health nurse, which will be including early detection and the treatment, rehabilitation, psychotherapy, and the use of modern psychotropic drugs and aftercare of services. So as in the mental health care services, so if you are working in a mental hospitals, and also you should give the services as an early detection once the patient is coming. So you should understand earlier itself what are the symptoms, with the help of the symptoms, and we should understand so what will be the condition, and as per the condition the doctors will be giving a treatment. So you should give the services according to the doctor's plan, give the treatment and rehabilitate the patient, and we should give the correct time of psychotherapeutic treatments and all. Then use of or giving of psychotropic drugs, that is medication which is giving towards the mental disorder patients via psychotropic drugs and all. Then after care of the patient also we should go for giving. The last one is rehabilitation center. In the rehabilitation center, the community health nurse provide care in rehabilitation unit, and here the nursing is an important component of the rehabilitation of the disabled. So that is restoration. After the treatment, the patient is recovering from the unhealthy stage to the healthy stage. Okay, so that one we are calling as rehabilitation stage. So these are the 10 points which is coming under the importance of community health nursing. So home care, nursing homes, MCH means maternal child health, which will be including pregnancy time, we are calling as antenatal. Postnatal means after the delivery of the delivery towards the 6 weeks. Then child services also you should give, and the family planning. Then fourth one is school health nursing, and fifth one healthcare services. Then sixth one industrial nursing services. Seventh one domiciliary nursing services. Eighth one geriatric nursing services. Ninth one mental health nursing, and the last one is rehabilitation center. So first today we learned about the concept of community health. Then community health nursing concept we have learned. Then there are three components, that is community means client, then health means goal, and nursing means the means of services which is for the promotion of health and prevention of illness. Then the importance of community health nursing, there are 10 points we have learned. Then next one is community health nurse. Community health nurse is a personal services at the community level, providing a basic promotive, preventive, curative and rehabilitative services directly towards the community. So here the community health nurse means is the personnel who is giving directly the service, nursing care services towards the individuals in the community, and there is a specific nursing activities which is performed by the nurses will verify according to the community needs and structure of primary healthcare systems. So she is a healthcare person. She can able to go directly towards the community to give the services. So we can able to learn who is a community health nurse. Now you maybe understood she is a nurse or a health personnel who is giving care directly towards the community people for the promotion of health, prevention of diseases and curation and rehabilitative services. We'll see the qualities of a community health nurse. So she, the first point is a qualified community health nurse is one who is undergone the basic general nursing, midwifery training or post-basic education in community health nursing. So as she should, so once you want to work in a particular institution, you should get a basic knowledge about the particular experiences and nursing care services. So or you should study some of the medical services, and also either maybe as a general nursing or post basic nursing or BSc nursing or MSc nursing we should go for getting. So before you are joining towards a community health nurse. Second point is community health nurse must have interest in the people and understanding the human behavior. So once you are working in a community sector, you should know about the psychologies and all, because you should know about the interest of the people's understanding what about the behavior of the person and all. You should understand while seeing itself. Then third one, sincerely and ability to emphasize are basic qualities required for a nurse. So as when we are working in a nursing care services, sincerely we should work. Fourth one, a well poised nurse has a friendly disposition and honest, charitable, resourceful and cooperative and takes responsibilities with initiative. So all the nursing services which you have to give a communication towards the participant and cooperate with them and give a good responsibility in the nursing care services. Next one is minimize essential skills of the nurses are observed, communication, interviewing and bedside support and the technical skills. So as we the nurse, we should have some of the qualification or skills should be there. So once you are seeing a patient, you should observe the patient, communicate with them and give a questioning and answering towards the patient and their families, then give a bedside support towards the patient and the families, and you should do some of the procedures towards the patient for checking the temperature, for checking the blood pressure and giving the injection and all. We should get some skill should be there. The next one, so that's about the qualities. Next one is functions of community health nurse. So we'll see what are the functions. So first one is caregiver. So as we so there are three parts will be the in the functions. First one is client oriented role. Under that one some points are there. So as per the client oriented role, caregiver is the first point. We should give, as we are a caregiver, we should give the nursing care appropriately towards the need of the patient, individuals, families and the community groups. Second one, educator. We can act as an educator. So we can, once you are knowing about the health situation of the patient, we can able to give the health education towards the individuals, families and the community. Third point, counselor. So we can counsel the patients as well as a teacher. I can able to give the counseling towards a student to go for improve your studies and all. Then referral resources. If the patient is having any other health issues, any systemic issues, means any cardiac problem, so I can able to refer towards the higher hospitals and all, whichever they needed for the healthcare services. Next one, role model. So as senior juniors will be there, so always the seniors should be a role model towards the juniors once they are doing the nursing care services. Then next one is advocate. So if any medical legal condition, that is accident cases and all, means we can act as an advocate and all. We should go for speaking towards the higher authority, and we should whenever we are receiving a road traffic accident cases and all, means we should inform towards the police stations and all. Okay. Then seventh one, primary care provider. So we the nurses, always when we are working in a primary health center, we are the basically the healthcare services to go for preventing the illness and existing of healthcare problems. We can able to deal with that one. Okay, so that's why we are calling as a primary level of care provider. Last one is case manager. So we should give a coordination with the help of the communication by selecting the nursing care services to meet the needs as well as the maximum resources we should use to make the patient to recover from the certain diseases. So these are the main points which is coming under the client oriented, and few more is there. Second one is delivery oriented roles. That one, first one is coordinator or a care manager. So here also the care manager is there. As per the need of the patient, you should give the nursing care services. Second one, collaborator. So if the patient is hearing the decision making regarding the nature of the health problem and potential solution, so you can able to make the problem solving towards the patient's side. Liaison. Then we can act as a connection and the communication between the client and healthcare provider or among. So if the doctors, they are coming for visiting the patient, so we the nurses always with the patient side only, so we can able to connect and coordinate with the doctor towards the patient, intimate their health problems at the each and every timing, and we can able to intimate towards the doctor's side from the patient. So that is the delivery oriented roles. And last one is population oriented role. Here the first one is case finder. So we should identify the health of the patient by seeing the history collection, physical examination and all. Second one is leader. We can act as a leader or supervising towards the nursing care services if becoming as a nursing superintendent or the particular floor manager and all. And third one, change agent. Okay, so here the individuals or a client behavior or a condition or those affecting the population group, and we can able to go for giving the cares. Then fourth one, community developer. So we are in a community sector. We can able to understand what are the problems is there, what are the factors which is influencing towards the health. So according to that, we can able to plan and we can develop the health situation of the community sectors. Fifth one is we can able to coordinate as a builder. We can promote the development and the maintenance of the health situation of the individuals or a group of peoples to address a specific health issues. And the last one is we can act as a researcher. We can conduct some studies on the basis of the healthcare situation in a community. So how it is occurring, what is the effectiveness about the treatments, everything we can able to go for studying. So that's why we can able to becoming a researcher. So these are the three headings which will be coming under the functions of community health nurse. So what are the functions means she can act as a client oriented role will be there, delivery oriented role, and the last one is population oriented roles. So today we has learned about, first one is concept of health, community health, then concept of community health nursing, then third one is importance of community health nursing, and now we has undergone the who is a community health nurse, and what are the qualities of a community health nurse and the functions of a community health nurse. So hope all you has understood the topic. So today we has taken up to the second section of the community health nursing, unit number 2. So after last time we has finished up to the principles. After that one we has taken the concept, then importance of community health nursing, and last one I has told who is a community health nurse. That is a B section in this unit, community health nurse, and what is the qualities or qualifications, and last one I has told you is functions of community health nurse. So next class we'll be going for the section number C, that is a nursing process in the community. So we'll learn next class. So hope you has understood up to this one. If you are having any doubt, you can able to ask me personally. Thank you.